Intense workouts are important for building strength and endurance. However, pushing your body to the limit every single day can be counterproductive. Your body needs time to recover and repair itself. This is where active rest days come into play. They allow your muscles to rebuild and prevent overtraining. Ignoring the need for rest can lead to injuries. Overtraining can weaken your immune system. It can also lead to burnout, making it harder to stay motivated. Active rest helps prevent these negative consequences. It keeps you on track towards your fitness goals. Active rest is different from complete rest. It involves engaging in low-impact activities. These activities promote blood flow and flexibility. This helps your body recover more efficiently. It also prevents stiffness and soreness. Incorporating active rest days is crucial for any fitness routine. They help to maximize your results. They also contribute to your overall well-being. Make active rest a priority in your 30-day challenge. You'll see positive changes in your fitness journey. Active rest doesn't mean hitting the gym for a high-intensity workout. It means engaging in light activities. These activities promote gentle movement and recovery. Think of it as a way to give your body a break while still keeping it active and promoting circulation. Examples of active rest include light walking, swimming, or yoga. These activities increase blood flow to your muscles. This helps to flush out lactic acid, a byproduct of intense exercise. Lactic acid buildup can contribute to muscle soreness. Active rest can also involve stretching or foam rolling. These practices improve flexibility and range of motion. They also help to release tension in tight muscles. This contributes to better overall mobility and injury prevention. Choosing an active rest activity depends on your fitness level and preferences. Listen to your body and choose something you enjoy. The goal is to move gently. You want to promote recovery without overexerting yourself. Active rest offers several benefits for both your physical and mental well-being. It improves recovery by increasing blood flow and nutrient delivery to your muscles. This helps repair muscle tissue damage caused by intense workouts. It also reduces muscle soreness and stiffness. Enhanced flexibility is another key benefit of active rest. Stretching and light movement help to lengthen your muscles. This improves your range of motion and reduces your risk of injury. Increased flexibility also contributes to better posture and overall body awareness. Active rest also helps to reduce stress and improve your mood. Light exercise releases endorphins. These are natural mood boosters that can help alleviate stress and anxiety. Taking a break from intense training can also improve your sleep quality. Incorporating active rest can boost your motivation and prevent burnout. It provides a mental break from strenuous workouts. This helps you stay engaged and committed to your fitness journey. It also allows you to enjoy different types of physical activity. Before starting your full-body stretching routine, it's important to warm up your muscles. A proper warm-up prepares your body for stretching. It increases blood flow and makes your muscles more pliable. This reduces the risk of injury. Start with some light cardio, such as walking or jogging in place for 5 to 10 minutes. This will increase your heart rate and body temperature. It also helps to loosen up your joints and muscles. You can also incorporate some dynamic stretches such as arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. Dynamic stretches involve moving your joints through their full range of motion. This further improves blood flow and prepares your muscles for deeper stretches. After warming up, you're ready to begin your full body stretching routine. Remember to listen to your body and never force a stretch. Focus on breathing deeply and holding each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. Section 5. Hamstring stretches. Hamstring flexibility is essential for overall mobility and injury prevention. Tight hamstrings can lead to lower back pain and restrict your movement. Incorporate these stretches into your routine to improve hamstring flexibility. Start with a standing hamstring stretch. Place one heel slightly in front of the other. Bend your front knee slightly and keep your back straight. Lean forward from your hips until you feel a stretch in the back of your leg. Next, try a seated hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Reach forward towards your toes, keeping your back straight. Hold the stretch where you feel a gentle pull in your hamstrings. Another effective hamstring stretch is the lying hamstring stretch. Lie on your back with one leg extended towards the ceiling. Use a towel or strap to gently pull your leg closer to your face. Keep your knee straight and hold the stretch. Remember to breathe deeply during each stretch and never force it. Focus on feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Section 6. Back stretches. Back stretches are important for maintaining good posture and relieving back pain. They can also improve flexibility and range of motion in your spine. Include these back stretches in your routine. Start with a cat-cow stretch. Begin on your hands and knees. Arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin towards your chest. Then, drop your belly towards the floor, lifting your head and tailbone. Next, try a spinal twist. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Extend your arms out to the sides. Drop both knees over to one side, keeping your shoulders flat on the floor. Repeat on the other side. Another effective back stretch is the child's pose. Kneel on the floor with your big toes touching. Sit back on your heels and fold forward, resting your forehead on the floor. Extend your arms out in front of you. Hold each back stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply throughout. These stretches can help to release tension and improve flexibility in your back. Section 7. Shoulder stretches. Shoulder stretches are important for maintaining shoulder mobility and preventing injuries. They can also help to relieve tension in your neck and upper back. Include these stretches in your routine. Start with a cross-body shoulder stretch. Reach one arm across your body and gently pull it towards your chest with your other hand. Hold the stretch, feeling it in your shoulder and upper back. Next, try an overhead triceps and shoulder stretch. Reach one arm overhead and bend your elbow, letting your hand fall behind your head. Gently push down on your elbow with your other hand. Another effective shoulder stretch is the shoulder blade squeeze. Sit or stand with your arms at your sides. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, as if you're trying to hold a pencil between them. Hold the squeeze for a few seconds. Remember to breathe deeply, and hold each shoulder stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. These stretches can help improve flexibility and range of motion in your shoulders. Section 8. Light yoga flow for flexibility. A light yoga flow can further enhance your flexibility and promote relaxation. Yoga combines movement with breathwork, and this creates a calming and restorative experience. Start with a few rounds of sun salutations. This sequence of poses warms up your body and improves flexibility. It also increases blood flow and prepares you for deeper stretches. Next, try some gentle standing poses like tree pose and triangle pose. These poses improve balance and stability. They also stretch your legs, hips, and core. Finish with some seated poses like seated forward fold and pigeon pose. These poses target your hamstrings, hips, and lower back. They can also help to release tension and promote relaxation. Remember to breathe deeply throughout your yoga practice. Focus on connecting your breath with your movement. Section 9. Cooling down and mindfulness. After your stretching and yoga session, take a few minutes to cool down. This allows your heart rate and breathing to return to normal. It also helps prevent muscle soreness. Lie down on your back and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, focusing on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. This simple mindfulness practice can help to calm your mind and reduce stress. You can also incorporate some gentle stretches during your cool down. Focus on stretching any areas that feel tight or sore. This can help to improve flexibility and prevent muscle stiffness. Cooling down is an important part of any workout. It allows your body to recover and transition back to a resting state. Section 10. Incorporating active rest into your routine. Incorporating active rest days into your 30-day fitness challenge is crucial for long-term success. Aim for at least 1 or 2 active rest days per week. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. On your active rest days, choose activities that you enjoy. This could include walking, swimming, yoga, or stretching. The goal is to move your body gently. You want to promote recovery without overexerting yourself. You can also incorporate active rest into your regular workout days. After a strenuous workout, spend 10 to 15 minutes cooling down with light cardio and stretching. This will help your muscles recover faster. Making active rest a regular part of your routine can help you avoid injuries, improve your flexibility, and enhance your overall well-being. Section 11. Staying consistent for long-term benefits. Consistency is key to seeing results from your fitness routine. Make active rest a regular habit. Don't skip your active rest days. They are just as important as your intense workout days. Schedule your active rest days just like you would any other workout. This will help you stay committed and make it a priority. You can also vary your active rest activities to keep things interesting. Listen to your body and adjust your routine as needed. If you're feeling particularly sore or fatigued, take an extra active rest day. Don't push yourself too hard. By staying consistent with your active rest and stretching routine, you'll see significant improvements in your flexibility, recovery, and overall fitness level.